What's up, y'all? So it's your girl Kendra. Y'all already know that. And this video today is about pretty much the creator studio part of YouTube and how certain things are unlocked and what you can take advantage of. The more subscribers or the more things that you do, certain things get unlocked. I don't know if that makes sense right now, but I'm gonna make it make sense in just 1 minute. Pretty much like how YouTube work, it's not like YouTube is sending anybody videos or anybody emails on, oh, this is what you do or this is how you do it. YouTube is not doing that for us, right? At all. So a lot of the information that I've actually found out about YouTube is through me searching. Like I do a lot of clicking and like, especially in a creative studio, I do a lot of clicking and trying, what is this about? Oh, what is that about? What is this? What is that? What is that? So YouTube is not necessarily sending anybody emails saying, oh, you've reached 100 subscribers. This just got unlocked. You know what I'm saying? But I'm here to let y'all know the benefits of Creator Studio and what you should pay attention to in Creator Studio, right? So I have my iPad in my hand right now, and I'm actually in Creator Studio right now, as y'all can see, right? I'm in Creator Studio, and I am clicked on status and features, right? Status and features. So this is a very important part about new YouTubers, especially because nobody's telling us what to do, what not to do, where to go, how to go. Nobody's telling us none of that information. So we pretty much have to find all this stuff out by ourselves, right? So in this status and feature, this pretty much lets you know what's enabled on your page and what is not enabled, right? You see, the green is enabled and the red is not enabled, right? And it also tells you copyright status and community guideline status. So right now I am happy face, and it shows you like there's steps. Let me see. Like there's steps right there to show you, whenever you're not in good standing, okay? I remember my first video that I uploaded on YouTube, I had like some music playing in the background, and I had like a yellow, it wasn't green, it was like next to the green, like yellow. So I had copyright infringement, and it was on that music. So pretty much that was letting me know anytime that I would get like monetized or whatever, they would actually get the money and not me. So I was like, ooh, gotta correct that. And I corrected that pretty quick. But anyway, so if you would click on these things that say learn more, that is a part of the Creator Studio, it will let you know pretty much what it is that you need to do in order to enable that feature, right? I don't have monetization just yet because I don't have 1,000 subscribers, or I don't even think I have 4,000 hours of watch time. But what I realized once I reached 100 subscribers is that I was able to create a custom URL. So as y'all can see right there, it says simply Shakendra right there for this custom URL, versus if you look at yours right now, if you don't have 100 subscribers, it will probably just be a number. So you're able to customize your URL once you reach 100 subscribers. But that is only if you already have an icon for your page, and then channel art in the background. And what was the other thing that you had to do? Have over 100 subscribers. Oh, and you actually had to have your YouTube page up for 30 days already, which I believe, that's easy. But this is like one feature that y'all should pay attention to a lot, and just go in and check it and just see where you stand, what your status is and where you stand. That is like one of the most important features of this entire YouTube thing. And you want to just make sure that your settings and everything is correct, and you're in good standings. And again, to know what it is that you need to do, you just click right there, that learn more. If you have more not enabled than enabled, maybe you can click on that learn more link right there and just see what it's telling you that you need in order to enable that feature right there. So that's my 2 cents on the whole Creator Studio part, because I feel like that's like one of the main parts, or one of the main things about YouTube that you really want to pay attention to, because it just pretty much going to teach you what you need to do, how you need to do it, and where you need to get to in order to enable it. You know what I'm saying? And again, YouTube is not sending out emails saying, oh, you've unlocked this or you've unlocked that. The only email that I've gotten from YouTube was this, once I reached 100 subscribers. The only email that I got from them saying, hey, congratulations, you got 100 subscribers. So this is actually something that I had to go in and say, I can enable this right now. So definitely just pay attention to, again, Creator Studio status and features. And you won't be able to access this on like the YouTube app. You'll actually have to go to the desktop. So I'm actually on the desktop. I just went youtube.com. I'm on the desktop, not mobile, not the app, just the desktop. So that's how you'll be able to check that on the regular and see. And then as you can see, it gives you like monetization, advanced settings. You can go in advanced settings and you can customize certain hashtags that you want to appear on all of your videos if you want to. Like, it's a lot. If y'all play around with this YouTube stuff, it's a lot that you'll find out and figure out. And I think just by paying attention to that link or that status and features part alone will teach you a whole lot about what's to come for YouTube, what you need to do in order to get to here. So anyway, that's just my 2 cents on this entire YouTube 100 subscribers, and or the more subscribers you get, the more you're able to enable certain things. And you can't say that I didn't tell you, because if you didn't know, now you know. So I'd like to thank y'all for tuning into my video today, and until next time, peace.